So the way I would like to conduct these videos is a three-parter. A try-on and review of the previous month and an unboxing of the current month. This way you're getting much more content so that you guys can decide if this is a subscription that is worth your time, your money. I'm hoping I will be able to conduct these monthly, keep everything consistent, and let me know if you like this format. So when you receive your box, it will come a lot nicer and more well-packed than this, but I just put everything back in there. You can see all my products. It also comes with a card that tells you the prices and information of every product. The first thing here is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It's formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts. You are guaranteed visibly reduced under-eye bags and dark circles. Recently, I have started to develop dark under-eye circles on the very inner corners of my eye, and they come down here a little bit. I did not think this was going to work. I was pleasantly surprised. Now, I wouldn't call it a gel. It comes out as more of a orange silicone consistency. It's very thick. You're supposed to rub it between your fingers, warm it up, and tap it underneath your eye after your daily eye cream. It almost mattifies the under eye and reduces the puffiness and definitely reduces the dark circles. It also works really well under makeup. Over the past month that I've been using this, it has dramatically reduced my dark circles. And when I skip a night or two without it, I notice, and I'm recommending this to anyone that has issues with dark circles. The only downside to this is that it does come with 0.5 ounces, but because it is so thick, you do go through it quite quickly. As you can see, I've made quite a dent in just a month. It is expensive, $42, but I will definitely be looking into another one as soon as this one is out. The next item I received is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Facial Mist. It retails for $25. Now this was an interesting product that I noticed a lot of people were really confused about. They didn't know if it was something to be used in your makeup routine or if it was just for skincare. Basically, this is supposed to be used throughout the day or after your skincare routine to refresh dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin to balance tone and boost your complexion. The problem is, I can't even use this. The day I got it, and throughout the month, and even yesterday, when I sprayed this, it came out like camel spit. I did look up the reviews on Sephora about this product, and half of them were about the nozzle being defective. So many people are voicing their opinion about their spray not working, then I think it's something that needs to be looked at. So if anything, this will look pretty on my vanity. Second to last item is this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blush. This is in the shade Desert Rose. It came in this beautiful unicarton. The compact feels very light and the plastic doesn't feel the nicest. It kind of reminds me of a Physicians Formula blush. This was actually the first blush I ever purchased, and this is from Physicians Formula. And as you can see, it does have the blush, and then as you pull up, a mirror and a little hidden compartment for the brush. It was also right around that price range at $11.99. I love this blush. I'm wearing it today. It is super gorgeous. It has a matte finish, but with some sort of luminosity that just gives absolute life to your skin. It's gorgeous. It is very pigmented and powdery, but if you go in, dip your brush in with a very light hand and just apply it on, it blends out gorgeously. I know you guys are probably like, what the heck? It's just a blush, but blush is one of my favorite makeup categories ever, and this was no exception. It is a perfect neutral color for my skin tone. I love how naturally flushed it makes the skin look. Goes on beautifully over foundation. Lasting power is just about the same as any other blush, Blush doesn't tend to last that long on my skin. If you pop this in your bag, you can easily reapply because it layers so well. It's also paraben free and infused with argan oil. Last item I received in my box was the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This is pretty cool. It reminds me of the Benefit one. It comes with an angled flat brush on one side, and if you twist off the bottom, the eyebrow cream is hidden there. I assume this is in the shade Tantalizing Taupe. In my opinion, this would look great for blondes, especially if you have a bit of grow out like I do, all the way up to brunette hair. I wasn't able to create my signature fluffy look like I can with the eyebrow pencil, but you can definitely create a really natural brow or go in a little bit more heavy. I actually really enjoy the way that this looks, and I'm definitely going to be using this more. It was very easy to apply. I just took a very tiny bit of the cream, wiped off the excess, and went in starting with the middle part to the end of the brow. Then I blended it through to the front so that it would give it more of a faded effect. I didn't need to do any cleaning up, and I used my spoolie that comes with the Anastasia Brow Wiz product, and it just worked perfectly together. Lasting power was beautiful. This is described as a velvet-like formula. It gives you perfect brows that will last all day and night. This retails for $26, which is more expensive than the Brow Wiz. I do think it would be extremely hard to ever go through as much product I do think it would be very difficult to ever go through how much product is in this cream. You will definitely go through the Anastasia Brow Wiz quicker. Now let's get on to the item that I was not able to test out this month, and that was the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I really wish I could have tested this out, but I did get lash extensions before I realized I was going to need to review a mascara, and if you didn't know, you cannot use mascara over top of lash extensions. But I'm not just going to forget about this. They shouldn't last too much longer, so I will test this out and let you know next month when I'm reviewing the July box. I will let you know. When I'm reviewing the August box, gorgeous packaging. Again, it has the beautiful gold and deep red. I'll show you what the wand looks like. Very thick brush-like bristles, and it has a slight curve throughout the body. Very nice handle. It feels very light and easy to use. And it is a squeezy type tube. Don't squeeze it. The mascara retails for $24. My back hurts so bad. Now we get into the end all questions. Would I have purchased these products? Will I repurchase them? And did I feel this box was worth my $21? The Dr. Brandt Depuffing Eye Gel. I don't think I would have purchased it on my own just because my dark circles and under eye bags weren't so bad that I was looking for a product like this. But now that I have used it and seen what my under eye area can look like without those things, I'm definitely interested, and I will be repurchasing this if I don't find anything else cheaper that works better. For the Tarte Mist, I would not have purchased this in the first place just because facial sprays don't really interest me all that much. I work really hard on my skincare throughout the day and night that I just don't feel like something like this is necessary. Not to mention that if I was even interested in purchasing it, I would have looked at the reviews and seen that a lot of people were quite upset with how the spray was working. Plus, it smells weird. I love Tarte. They're one of my favorite brands, but I would not pay $25 for this product. The Wander Beauty Mascara. I don't know if I would purchase this because I haven't tried it out yet. The Note Cosmetics Blush. If enough people had talked about it, I would have bought this in a heartbeat. I am a blush collector. I love blush. And even though I do have a ton of blushes, this is unlike anything I have in my collection. But the formula is something I'm really excited about, and I will be checking out their other colors. If this went missing or something were to happen to it or it broke, I would buy another one, especially at $11.99. The Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. I would not have purchased this on my own because I'm so set in my ways of my Brow Wiz. When I run out of all of the brow products that I do have and need to try, it's definitely on the top of my list, an option to repurchase for sure. $26 is a lot, but like I said, if it takes me longer than the brow is to go through, then it's worth my money. Overall, was this box worth $21 for me? Absolutely. I love this. I love these three things. I have not tried this yet, so that is a maybe, but I would not purchase this, and I did not enjoy that. But even these three products, this one was double the price of what I pay for the box. This was over the price of what I pay, and this one was half, and I absolutely love it. The overall total value for the products in this box was $128.99. And the overall value for the things that I enjoyed, not including the mascara, was $79.99. The packaging is a little... Here, you guys look first. Is it cool stuff? Ooh! So let's get the elephant out of the room first, and that is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. It has matte rubber packaging, sort of like NARS, and it has this beautiful rainbow hollow reflect. Here is the back. Look. They swatch okay. They're pretty chalky and dry feeling, but that's something that you usually get when it comes to neon palettes. Hungover, the purple, is actually the softest one, which probably explains why it broke. All in all, it's really about how these perform on the eyes. I do have two other electric palettes that I can compare them to. Next thing I see in here is the Bang Beauty gel eyeliner. Oh! She was already open. I don't know what that is in there. The packaging is gorgeous. I love how if you're looking straight on at it, it doesn't look like there's any product. And the bottom is glass with the silver logo and the mirrored top. It seems to lift up on itself as I apply more and go on a bit chunky. I'm not sure if that's because the cap wasn't on all the way, if it goes on the eye better. Next in here is the Smashbox Be Legendary Triple Toned Lipstick. Typical Smashbox packaging. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It has a light, medium, and deeper shade. This is in the shade Red Ombre. Next thing in here is the House of Lashes Temptress Lashes. I am not a huge lash wearer, but House of Lashes is definitely well known in the beauty community. These are extremely dramatic and very wispy. Second to last thing in here is the Adici New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Coconut Oil. Cuticle oil. So we have gotten a few products from this brand before. It's actually the nail polish that I'm wearing on my nails today, minus the holographic top coat. I am always down for cuticle oil. These are my natural nails, and this stuff definitely helps it with its growth. Last but not least, we got 3 packages of the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They look like this. So these are individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the masks to adhere better to the skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid, that's good stuff. Delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. These are really interesting, and I'm really excited to try them out. I find with eye masks, you should try to use them consistently for a few days in a row to get the best results. And I hope they do stay on the eye area, because there's nothing I hate worse than ones that slip down. So this month we actually received 6 products. Of course, if you counted the eye masks each as one item, that would be 8. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got the information that you wanted and nothing that you didn't. I'll be back next month for a video just like this one, and even sooner for something else. See you guys later.